Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, and in the empty space, hold it. This will enter editing mode, and you can now click on add a control, and you want to find your power saving mode or low power mode as it's labeled right here. Once you click on it, it gets automatically added to your toggles. I'm going to click on the empty space again, and this will disable the editing mode, and now you can just simply tap on this toggle, which apparently it was already here, but I was blind to see. But by default, actually it's not added, so just pointing that out. You will still need to add it yourself in any case. Now, once you click on it, it automatically enables itself and does a couple things in the background, like for instance, messes around with Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device to preserve battery life. Now, this will result in, for instance, delays in mail fetching. So if you have, if you rely on your emails being delivered to you strictly on time or when they're being sent, you might not want to enable this option, as this is part of the things that it's gonna do. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can tap on this toggle once more, and this will turn it off and revert all the changes. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.